Hey, how's it going? I'm gonna do another small video. Well, maybe a long video, I'm not sure. We got this McCullough, let's see, 3200 series. I put a new bulb in it. I redone the carburetor. Got it running good and everything. It sounds good. Well, when I got it on trade, I didn't check everything like I should have. And you look right here, the oil cap is messed up. And take it off. As you can see, my big hand out of the way, the oil cap is busted. So I'm going to try to take this thing apart and see if we can fix that. One thing I will say on this, I'm doing this video, all my videos are done on my phone, so I don't have any way to edit them, so I'm just going to try and do this in live time. What you see is what I'm doing while I'm doing it. So let's get at it. Let's see what all we got to get out of the way first. That handle. Look at the handle header. Here's another text. So get the starter cover out of the way. And that T-bit is not going to do it. Let's see if I got another one. Too big. Small. Let's see. Let's just go with a reliable flathead screwdriver. I said it was. Get a decent flathead screwdriver. There we go. I hadn't had the case or anything apart on this saw, so like I said, I just redone the carburetor and was ready to roll, and did not work out for me, and that's not cutting it. There we go. Maybe this one. That's a little better. Yeah. That's the one I was looking for. So I enjoy working on these old saws when I get them running right. I don't always get them running right. We're going to see if we can repair this one and educate ourselves too on what's inside. That I haven't had one of these Macs completely apart before, so we'll see what's going on with it. There we go. Put that to the side. Let's see what we got. That ain't gonna fit. Of course, why would it? Let's see what size that is. Not this. That one was. I think I'm missing one of my hex screwdrivers. Anyway. Oh, let's see. There's nothing else in the handle. Let's see, anyway. I don't know what's holding it. Holding it on, of course, like everything else, it was rigged up to start with. Well, we'll leave it on there and take it all apart at one time. How about that? If anybody watches this video, well, I hope people watch it, but please leave a comment, subscribe, tell me what I need to do. I hope I'm still in frame. I said I can't really tell from where I'm at and where y'all are at as far as viewing goes. If I run out of time, hopefully I'll realize it and I'll try to upload the first part, and then I'll continue to do the video and get the second part of it uploaded if I have to do 2 parts. I wish I could have got that handle out of the way, but it wasn't moving. Trying to leave all the screws where they're at, or I don't lose them, but I'm not sure how it's going to work. I just want to hopefully lift this half off and separate the case where I can get to that oil tank. And see if there's anything I can do to it. That's loose. That's loose. That's loose. That's loose. Okay. There we go. Opening her up a little bit. Hoping I didn't have to take everything off. I'll pull it in a second. Give me more slack. Oh, my trigger. And my trigger spring. Let's get that put back on there. Okay. So we're in. Yep, sorry. So, there again, I got my big hand in the way. This thing is busted all the way back underneath the bottom of it. So, and of course I forgot some of the stuff I need to fix it, or to try and fix it. So I guess I will be doing 2 parts to this. But anyway, I'm gonna set you up. I'm gonna try and clean that up. So I guess I'll hold on to you. I need to get a cleaner rag. Right now I just want to get it cleaned up for the worst of it off. What I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to fit a new top to this tank. To this tank, and seal it all back up. So anyway, we got into it. Like I said, it's worse than I thought it was. You can see the whole top is just cracked completely off of it and everything. So I'm gonna have to stop here and get some parts. Hopefully I can come back to the same video. If not, I'll start a part 2. Okay, I'm back. You still can't really see what I'm doing, but I got a cleaner rag. Trying to clean this up best I can. Breaking the fuel lines. I just put new ones on. I just put new fuel lines on that, so hopefully I didn't break any. It's busted. Oh, well, that might be an issue. The oil there is not hooked up. But let's get the cat fixed first. That's our main priority. Let's just fix the cat. Got a couple of different bottles. Let's see how they fit. They got good heavy lids on them. That one's going to be way too big. So that one's out. That one maybe will work. Maybe. It will work. I'm not 100% sure. And I may have to try to find something different to do this with. But never hurts to try. Start out fairly large, not very clean cut, but we'll clean it up as we go. The main thing right now is to see how it's gonna, if it's gonna fit or not, and how it'll fit. Test fit to see. Yeah, that's too big. Okay, well, that's not gonna work. That's not that bottle. So, let's take a little closer look here at it. if by any chance we can just repair it on the jug. That needs to be down. Oh, it's been up so far. I don't know how they managed to do this. But it would have been nice if the guy had told me it was busted when he traded it to me. What is holding this? That's better. I don't know. Hopefully I'm still in focus. Still feels greasy. In my hand. Sure about another egg. I'm going to try and see if I have a very old soldering iron. This thing gets pretty dang hot. I'm wondering if I can melt that and patch that melt this together and patch it when it gets hot. At least get it to where it's tacked down, and then I'll go around it. I got some JB Weld, and this is for metal, plastic, PVC, ceramic, and then cover everything with the epoxy and hope that that'll seal it off, and it should last a long time. So I'll tell you what, I'm going to cut this video off, and I will start a part 2, and we'll go from there and see if we can get this fixed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Check out the part 2 when I get everything a little further ahead. I said please subscribe, leave a comment. Thanks for watching.